Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable extensions and plugins in Google Chrome. To do that, you want to go ahead and open up Google Chrome and click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go to where it says extension. Click on manage extension. Here you'll be able to find all extensions in Google Chrome. And so if you want to go ahead and disable any extensions or plugin, just simple find where it shows this blue toggle button here and just simply go ahead and turn it off. Once you turn it off, it becomes gray. And so once you hover over it, you can see that it says this extension cannot read or change site information or run in the background. And so whatever you disable in Google Chrome, you will hover over it and you will see it gives you that message. That's how you also know that it's disabled, and you can see that it's grayed out and it's not blue like these ones. And of course you hover over it and you see that it gives you this message. And so that's how you can easily disable extensions and plugins within Google Chrome. Very easy and very simple.